Chrome and search for Gemini CLI. Then open the GitHub link. When you go down, you will find Node.js version 18 hyperlink. Click on that hyperlink. You can install through Docker, or else you can install through Windows installer, which is the fastest way and the best way. So click on it. It's a .msi file. Open the file once downloaded. Double click on that file. Click on next. Accept the permissions. Then click on next. You can install in the default location, or you can install in the desired location. I am installing in my desired location. If you are installing in your desired location, don't forget to add Node.js at the end of the directory. Then click on OK, click on next, click on next. These are the modules that are going to install. You can install Chocolatey, but it is not required for your projects. So click on next. It's your choice if you want to install. Click on install. That's it. We have finished Node.js installation. We'll check Node.js installation right now. Node.js, this is gonna giving error because that's not the command. I entered Node, it entered into CLI. I'm exiting. Then I'm checking Node version. Node-v is a command. npm-v is a npm version. npx-v is a npx version. 10.9.2 is the version, which is the minimum version that is required for you right now. Now we are going to install Gemini CLI. You can install through npx or npm. I am going to install through npm. Remember, when you type this command, check out the folder that you are running. I am running in my user folder. I usually don't recommend this. If you don't have any files or folders on the desktop, you can do this. If you have files and folders on the desktop, installing in this location will allow the Gemini to access all the files and folders on your desktop. So install on a location where you will be using Gemini for the projects. Installation is done. If you click on, if you run npm fund, it will show the location where the Gemini is currently in. Now we will run Gemini on this location. It takes times, and for the first installation time it will ask for you the first time installation, it will ask for you the authentication, and sometimes also after installation, after running the Gemini command, it will ask you multiple times like authentication, your Gmail authentication. You can choose any theme. I'm choosing my everything looks same. You have to check for the theme that you like and the theme that is visible, that shows all the text on the CLI. If you choose any text that is not visible clearly, then it will create a trouble for you later. So I am choosing IODark is good, default is also good, Dracula is also good, GitHub, yeah, it's fine, but ANCLID is not that much good. Now you have to give the permission. I have given the email permission. Then I am clicking on sign in. It will directly open in Google Chrome. You don't have to do anything once you click on the login button. Now you once this page appears, now you have to go back to terminal. Let's start with a sample Python program. We usually write Python program, right? Now I'm asking the Gemini CLI to write a Python program to take input from the user and generate a multiplication table. So I want to check whether this Gemini CLI can create a file, can run the file. It is figuring out. Yeah, you have to allow once. Don't allow, don't give yes allow for everything. That will create a trouble because it will run on its own everything, and it's a risk for you sometimes. So don't allow it. You just have to enter. That's it. It's very easy. So take some hardware for you. Give some hardware for your finger, or else it will create troubles for you. Yeah, I'm checking whether this Python file is not created or not. So it's a multiplication that it created a multiplication table.py. I didn't created it. So as you checked, the program went very fine. Now I'm trying to create another program. I'm trying to check whether it can create any website and how much better it can create. So I'm writing a command to create a basic HTML website with a tech company, and I want it to use advanced CSS and beautiful UI. In a folder called tech folder, I'm asking it to create it in a tech folder. Let's see how much beautiful it is gonna create. Yeah, if these steps till these steps you have completed, you can try your Gemini CLI. You don't need to watch this entire video. I am just showing you how it works. If you are not installed it, so this is the index.html. I'm trying to open it in the Windows file manager. Still it is not completed. Yeah, the good thing about the Gemini CLI, it detects the errors, and by default it search for the solution, and it also solves the problem by on its own. You just need to enter button. That's it. This is the website it created. Yeah, it's good. The UI is good. The only thing is about the images. It creates a basic HTML and CSS file. That is what I asked it, and did it work? Good. Now I'm asking. Now I'll ask a simple question to in this program. Where is the India capital? Delhi. Just basic general question I'm asking. Huh? So it's searching. It took 30 minutes, 16 minutes. Now it also again took 6 minutes. It took total 20 seconds. It took 16 minutes. Not minutes. I said minutes. It's a second.